Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a stainless steel water bottle. This will be an easy tutorial and a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this stainless steel water bottle, and I'm going to open it up and show you that it has this cap, and this cap is actually a plastic type of cap. And it has the actual water bottle right here, the canteen portion, which this is stainless steel on the inside and on the outside, but has this little coating on the outside that changes the color of it. Okay, it's actually really easy to clean one of these. This is a really big one, and this is probably the hardest type to clean because they're really big, but you can definitely do it. So first and foremost, you want to get your water on, and you want to get your water on and just rinse it out with just water. Okay. So rinse it out with water. Then I'm going to turn on some cold water as well so the water doesn't get too hot. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get a scrubbing sponge like this. We're going to wet the scrubbing sponge. We're going to get some soap. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump some soap onto there. Let's just try and get some soap onto there. Okay, this is not working out as planned. I can take the lid off. Sorry about that. And I can put some soap onto there just like this. Okay, just like that. So that's a little too much, obviously, but it's fine. It's all going to rinse out. So we're going to get the soapy sponge, and we're going to empty the water out. What I like to do is I like to sort of scrub around the lid first, just like that, okay? And then I like to get the soapy sponge, and I like to squeeze the soap inside of the water bottle. So as you can see right there, we have all the soap in there. Put a little bit more water in there. Squeeze inside of the water bottle. A little bit more water. And what this does is this creates a nice soapy mixture on the inside of the stainless steel water bottle. Then I reach my hand in there with the sponge, and I just reach as far as I can go, and I just sort of scrub around as far as I can go. Okay, if you really want to, you can use something like a fork or a longer spoon with the sponge on the end of it to sort of get all the way to the bottom. But for the most part, this is, for myself, this is more than satisfactory. So now that has some soap in it and it's soaking. And then I just get the sponge and I just rinse off. I soap up the actual lid here of the water bottle, open it up, apply some soap to it like that. Okay, then I rinse the lid first. Completely rinse out all the soap. I like to be very thorough with my rinsing, just because, you know, like I said, you want to make sure there's no soap in the water bottle. So I'm really thorough with my rinsing. Place that to the side to dry, and then I rinse the outside of the bottle first, like this. And then as I put the water on the inside, and I rotate. So you can see I'm rotating the bottle, and then I dump it out. And I rotate the bottle, and I dump it out. And I keep doing this a few times. This allows me to get all the soap out of the inside of the bottle. And I'll show you what I do at the end, just to make sure there's no soap left. I take a look in there anyways, and I see that there's no soap, but I'll do it a couple more times. I don't want any soap in my water bottle. And then at the end, what I like to do, now that there's no soap left, is I fill it up all the way to the top with water. We'll speed this up a little bit right here. Okay? So you can see it's completely filled to the top. And then turn off the water. And then I empty it out. And this way I know that there's no soap remaining in it. And then we just leave it to dry. So what I'll do is I'll place it to the side to dry. Probably just over there, I'll just let it sit in the sink to dry. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.